Welcome to our comprehensive guide about buying property in Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital. Lisbon, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and warm climate, is a popular choice for investors and individuals looking to relocate or invest in an overseas property. The city offers a wide range of property types from traditional apartments in historic districts to modern villas in suburban areas. With its growing popularity among tourists and expats, Lisbon's real estate market is one to watch. Lisbon's real estate market is characterized by its diversity and potential for growth. The city has a mix of old and new properties, catering to various tastes. The historic areas like Alfama and Bairro Alto offer traditional properties with stunning views. Meanwhile, areas like Parque das Nações feature modern apartments. Lisbon's property market is also supported by the Golden Visa program, which offers residency to non-EU investors. The city's strong rental market, driven by tourism and a growing expat community, is another key feature. Pricing in Lisbon's property market varies greatly depending on the location and type of property. On average, property prices range from $3,000 to $5,000 per square meter in the city center. However, it's possible to find cheaper properties in the outskirts or through renovation projects. Despite rising prices in recent years, Lisbon still offers competitive property prices compared to other Western European capitals. It's important to note that additional costs, such as legal fees, taxes, and maintenance, should also be considered when budgeting. Buying property in Lisbon is ideal for several scenarios. If you're an investor looking for strong capital growth and rental yields, Lisbon's burgeoning real estate market is a promising option. For those seeking to relocate, Lisbon offers a high quality of life with its rich culture, excellent food, and warm climate. Buying property in Lisbon can also be a pathway to European residency through Portugal's Golden Visa program, making it attractive for non-EU citizens looking for mobility within the Schengen area. The advantages of buying property in Lisbon are numerous. The city's real estate market has shown consistent growth over the years, offering good investment returns. The strong rental market provides an opportunity for steady passive income. The Golden Visa program offers a unique advantage of gaining European residency, which gives access to free movement within the Schengen area. Additionally, the quality of life in Lisbon, with its rich culture, warm weather, and friendly locals, is an attractive draw for potential buyers. Despite its advantages, buying property in Lisbon also has its limitations. The rising property prices may pose a barrier for some investors. There's also the risk of a property bubble due to the rapid growth of the market. Navigating the Portuguese legal system can be challenging for foreign buyers. Furthermore, while the Golden Visa program is attractive, it requires a significant investment, and the process can be lengthy and complex. Lastly, the cost of living in Lisbon, while lower than many European capitals, is increasing. Lisbon's property market offers a mix of traditional and modern properties with potential for good investment returns. The Golden Visa program provides an opportunity for European residency. However, rising property prices and potential legal complexities are challenges to consider. Despite these, the city's quality of life and the potential for steady rental income make buying property in Lisbon an attractive proposition for many. In conclusion, buying property in Lisbon is a decision that comes with many benefits, such as potential for capital growth, rental income, and European residency. However, it also requires careful consideration of factors such as the rising property prices and legal complexities. If you found this guide helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.